Today's the first day that our SPUD gets to see sunshine. I planted him 17 days ago, and he's about 3 to 4 inches tall and ready to go outside. If you haven't seen the original video where I showed how to plant a potato in a container, I'll link it above. It's still mid-morning, so the sun hasn't hit this path yet, but it will. Also, since it's early spring, the sun isn't as high in the sky, but throughout the summer it will definitely get plenty of sun right there. So while I'm outside, I'll give you a sneak peek of how all the bulbs are doing. So this is a pot of 25 tulip bulbs that I planted. That's a pastel blend. As you can see, there's one that is about to bloom. And it looks red, but I expect it to be pink. Next we'll head over to the cut flower garden, but on the way, here are my nepetas. This is their 3rd year in place, and if you've ever heard the garden phrase about perennials, the 1st year they sleep, 2nd year they creep, and the 3rd year they leap. These are definitely leaping this year. Last year I brought 110 daffodil bulbs from my mother's garden in another state and planted them in my cut flower garden last fall. I also dug up 4 other bulbs that were really large, but we had no idea what they were, so they're my 4 mystery bulbs. So we'll see how those are doing once they come up. But as you can see, all the bulbs are doing great. I have daylilies, alliums, tulips, and daffodils in here, and of course those mystery bulbs. And here's the first daffodil that I showed you earlier this week. Only one blooming right now, but still gorgeous. But there are a few others that are close to blooming. Everything else is growing great, so I'll keep you updated.